What's up, guys? So we are on the road to Chicago. Lauren is with me. Ross is up there. She's grabbing B-roll with the new camera while we're driving. We are probably about 40 minutes out from Chicago. I have to try to find a filter for the new lens, so that might be one of the things we do tonight. I also don't know if anything's going to be open. Yeah, so once we get there, figure out what we're doing, I'll catch back up with you guys. Alright guys, so this is future me. This is Sunday, the day after Tuner Evo. I'm just making this to do a little quick filler. I ended up filming, as you guys just saw, on my way down there. I thought about cutting that out, but I just thought it was a good kind of like intro to the video. The next clip you're going to see is us at Tuner Evo. We ended up not going out and filming or doing anything like we thought we might have that night. And yeah, so cutting back into the day of Tuner Evo now. Alright, so we got into Tuner Evo. Ross is parked. He's doing a little bit of cleaning. You can see him there. We're just waiting to get food and for the show to start. The show doesn't start technically for another 2 hours. I've already gotten a lot of footage. People rolling in, all that good stuff. Got some rollers of Ross this morning. And now we are hanging out. We're all very hungry. We haven't eaten yet. And yeah, we have another 9 hours here until we leave. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. That's a line and a half that I'm happy we don't have to wait in because we already got the wristbands. Just got breakfast. Heading back to the show. But I got my apple. And there's no one up there. There we go. My hair is real messed up.
I always want to check into a hotel room, not go to the show, and lay down. Because I hate something.
Nothing back there.
Wild Chris, his natural habitat. There he comes.
Alright guys, so we are taking a break. We just got some coffee. So did she. Ross is MIA. He went looking for a bathroom. And yeah, been doing a lot of shooting. Lauren was doing some shooting with this camera while I was shooting with the big camera. I'm definitely going to overlay that like I did before, where you can see the footage from the big camera during the vlog and all that good stuff. So that's the plan. We still have 6 hours, 5 hours, about 5 hours of the show left. So definitely more shooting to come. Some more like behind the scenes footage, have Lauren film, maybe Ross. Ross wants to take over the vlog really bad like he did before. Maybe we'll see, have him do that again. And then just enjoy the rest of the day. I definitely have to do some outside shooting because I haven't. I've done all inside and then like B-roll, like other stuff. So inside shooting, more inside shooting, have to do outside shooting. And this is gonna keep me awake because we woke up at like 5 o'clock this morning.
4:30.
Yeah, 4:30, 5 o'clock. And we have to drive back to Michigan tonight. So it's a 3-hour drive when the show is over. A lot going on, more filming to come. Yes. Ross is back from the bathroom. He found his way, and he has a drink now. So he's right there.
I totally just had to rewipe.
I definitely just got that.
I had to rewipe, guys.
Ross just went to the bathroom. Again, it's now 4 o'clock. It's really hot outside. It's really loud in here. And we're gonna keep on filming. Here we go. Dustin, and how's Junior Evo going for you?
It's been a long day.
Yeah,
but
well,
Junior Evo is always the best show, and like the cars here are insane. So it's been cool.
Yeah, no, it's been my first one. I'm from Michigan.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
okay.
so
First Tuner Evolution experience is always the best.
yeah, shooting an after movie, everything.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's awesome. Super cool. Well, good luck, dude.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so it is now the day after Tuner Evo. We had a great time, got to meet Dustin Williams. That was pretty awesome. Really cool guy. TJ Hunt was also there, but like he was just busy the whole day, huge line. So like, you know, things happen. I just wanted to make the end of this video because I never really ended the vlog. We ended up leaving Tuner Evo. We stayed for awards, we left Tuner Evo. My vlog camera, this guy, he ended up dying. He's kind of going bad on me, so I was like acting up. Couldn't find the other batteries because I have a couple of them, but I was just like enjoying the rest of the day. We ended up driving all the way home back to Michigan, 3.5 hours or so with the time change that night, like last night. So then we ended up filming, getting home, super tired from the day, walking around, my arms killed from carrying the gimbal. And yes, so after movie, big edit coming out of Tuner Evo in the next couple days. I'm gonna be working on that hard. This will be out before the full edit, and the full edit will come shortly after. I'm really pumped about it. First time ever being there, like I said in the vlog. And I really just hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it's kind of all over the place, but like we were just kind of, filling you guys in, like what was happening. Like I said, I was just running around filming. Ross's car was in there. Lauren was just there to enjoy the day with us. You know, she loved it. Ross had a great time, and I got to film like a lot. So I'm really pumped about that. And yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for the full feature and other videos to come soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.